Hello everyone, this is Milo from UK Host For You. Welcome to UK Host For You Cloud Solution Tutorials. Today we'll be looking into our DevOps platform. We'll go through a short introduction of the platform and your dashboard, the features it includes, what's the pay-per-use method, and how the platform can ease your DevOps communication and help you save time while getting more efficient. Remember, any new registration comes with a 14-day free trial. So this should give you plenty of time to get acquainted with the platform, test it out to its limits without spending a single pence. So just follow the link in our bio and register. To register, you can go on UK Host For You Cloud Solution and get a 14 days free trial here. This should bring you to the shopping cart where you can just fill in your personal information and check out. So first of all, you'll need to log in your dashboard. If you have created an account, just use your email and password we sent you. Otherwise, just create an account as I showed you. So this platform was designed for collaborative teamwork directly from your dashboard. You can allow your team members to manage everything from load balancers, application servers, databases, and all this as easily as they would manage their own code. So let's dig in the DevOps platform. So we've made sure to add as many features as possible which are included as standard. In short, you can easily create development, testing, production environments. You can automatically scale your environments vertically or horizontally. You can set up in minutes clustered and highly available applications. You can enjoy zero downtime deployment with the traffic distribution option, access an out-of-the-box TCP and HTTP load balancing with SSL support, manage your application with a range of options such as UI, SSH, API or CLI, and you can deploy via Git, SVN, FTP, SSH and SFTP at any time. Obviously much more, and you can't imagine all the possibilities you have using it. So we propose as well a free one-to-one session to go through the platform in detail and see how we can optimize it for you. So now let's dig in the pay-per-use method. So now we've seen how powerful the platform is, I'd like to take you through the pay-per-use method. In short, when your 14-day free trial ends, you will only pay for the real consumption of your environments, not the total server size or a limit that you will never reach on a standard dedicated server, for example. That is said, thanks to our measurement units called the cloudlets, which measures your environment's true consumption. One cloudlet includes 128 MB of RAM and 400 MHz of CPU power simultaneously. So based on the amount of cloudlet your environment consumes hourly, we can determine the capacity for each server in the environment and ensure truly fair usage-based pricing, and so you don't pay for unused resources. Basically, you set up the minimum resources and maximum resources you want to use and set for your server, and it will display here the maximum amount you can pay per hour, per day, or per month. So how to ease communication between dev and ops? So communication between dev and ops teams has never been simple. There has always been a gap, a miscommunication if any. So however, thanks to the UK Host For You Cloud Solution platform, both teams can work efficiently with a variety of features available that we've mentioned before. Our optimized configuration process saves your team time when deploying applications, both for development and production environment. As it's a Git native platform, you can clone your code from every branch with support for all your favorite platforms: Bitbucket, GitHub, GitLab. So you can even build your own dedicated GitLab server using our marketplace application, and within a single click. Just click on Marketplace, go to the Dev and Admin tools, and you'll see here DevOps GitLab server. So just click on it, click install. You can even name your environment and click install. You'll see it will be loading, so this should take a minute or two. You'll find the Jenkins DevOps pack as well in our marketplace. So you can build and deploy automation to organize continuous integration and continuous delivery pipelines. And it's the same process. Choose the amount of workers you want, name your environment, and deploy. So as we have automated the deployment of your applications and services, it's really easy to work on your websites and applications. If you require more advanced setups, then we support deployment into Docker, containers, and Kubernetes clusters. So as it's hosted within our own infrastructure, we take care of all the backend responsibilities, allowing you to completely focus on your project. So remember, you can always contact our friendly support team, which is available 24/7 via our website. And if you need our help building your environment for you and to suit your own requirement, just let us know. Always a pleasure. And please don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.